Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you have ever used Vanish mode on Instagram and want to know how to turn it off, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily turn off Vanish mode so your conversations return to normal. Let's jump in. First of all, find the Instagram app on your home screen. Now open it. Once you are in the Instagram app, tap the message icon in the top right corner to go to your direct messages. Next, select the conversation where Vanish mode is currently active. You will know Vanish mode is on when you see something like this on the chats. Then simply tap on it. To turn off Vanish mode, all you need to do is swipe up on the chat screen. You can also see it is showing on the chat screen itself. Now simply swipe your finger from the bottom of the screen upwards and then release it. This will return the conversation to regular chat mode. If you want to turn Vanish mode back on in the future, just repeat the process. And that's it, now you know how to easily turn off Vanish mode. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.